The present simple negative. To make negative sentences using be in the present simple, not is added after the verb. For other verbs, the auxiliary verb do not or does not is used. Negatives with the verb be. The verb be takes the same form in positive and negative sentences. The only difference is adding not.
I am a farmer. I am not a doctor.
How to form.
I am not a doctor. She is not doctors. We are not a doctor.
Negative contractions. Is not and are not can be contracted in two ways. The subject and verb can be contracted, or the verb and not. They mean the same thing.
You are not a doctor. You're not a doctor.
You are becomes your.
You aren't a doctor.
Are not becomes aren't. Further examples.
I'm not a teacher.
I meant is incorrect.
He's not a farmer. He isn't a farmer. They're not American. They aren't American.
Negatives with other verbs in the present simple. For verbs other than be, do not or does not goes before the verb to make the negative.
I work outside. I do not work outside. He works inside. He does not work inside.
Verb in base form. How to form.
I. You. We. They. Do not work outside. He. She. It. Does not work outside.
The base form is used no matter what the subject is. Further examples.
You do not have a computer. We don't start work at 8 a.m. He does not live in Los Angeles. He doesn't have a car.
This is the contracted form of does not. Common mistakes. Forming negative sentences. The main verb in a negative sentence always stays in its base form, even if the subject is he, she, or it.
He does not work outside. He does not works outside.